guys, welcome back to another video, y'all. So today we are getting into some makeup from Boulonguise. It's a first term, so if I was saying it wrong, I'm sorry. Y'all correct in the comments. But y'all, before we get into this makeup that they have sent, I wanted to quickly mention to y'all that I have contacts. Y'all will see a contact try on my Instagram TV story. This company is a well-known contact lens company. They have over 400 options to choose from. They have special effects, they have natural lenses, and prescription, y'all. If y'all are contact lovers, y'all can definitely use this code and get these contacts, y'all. But they have a special offer. Buy two, get one free if y'all use the code B2G1. I will leave the description right below. And if you use the code free today, you will get a gift along with that too. You can also use B2G1 on other purchases on the site, which is makeup that I'm about to show you. So if y'all interested in this look and how I cheat it, please keep on watching. Hey y'all, so I have this company today that I'm going to be reviewing. This is a sponsored video. It is featuring Boulonguise. I think that's how you say it, Boulonguise. I like it better the first way. Boulonguise. I think it's like a French word or something like that. They sell a lot of well-known products that we all know. Let's first start off anyways, or I might not do a voiceover. We're going to start off with this Banana Dreams loose powder. Now, I never heard this powder before ever in my life, and I'm very intrigued to try it. I also want to see if it has flashback. So yeah, I already prepped and primed my brows. I'm about to put this on my brows, and then after I put this on my brows, you're gonna see me fill my brows off camera because I don't have any brow products from them at the moment. I'm just working with what I have and what they gave. They also sent over some beauty blenders, y'all, and really soft. When I say soft, really soft, especially when you wet them, super soft. So, and I had to get yellow. Hey y'all, so prior to putting this powder on, I did go ahead and take my brow gel and set my brows down so that they won't move. I don't want this powder to sit too long. It's just basically so that my brows won't be oily. So I am now going to just take this brush and we're going to just tap this in. And then we're going to do our brows off camera, and I'm going to come back when my brows are done. Okay, so I finished my brows, y'all. Well, not finished them. I filled them in. So now we are going to take these E.L.F concealers. I told y'all that they sell some of the products that we love, okay? And some of the products on the site, I really don't know some of them, but they sell name brand stuff on there as well, and along with contacts. So don't forget to go check them out in the description right below. But we're gonna go ahead and we're going to take these E.L.F concealers, y'all. So I'm going to take these two. This is called Deep Olive, and the other one's called Deep Cinnamon. Probably going more so towards Deep Cinnamon. I have this really light base right here, and I think I'm going to use that for an eyeshadow base, just to try something different. When I conceal my brows, I take my 252S MAC brush. I love this brush. As far as eyeshadow, as far as base of the shadow, we're not gonna go with P. Louise base. We're gonna keep it strictly with the products that they sent. So I'm gonna try to keep everything strictly of what they sent. So I'm gonna go with these two concealers. So I'm gonna mix them both together to kind of get that P. Louise number 4 base. And you too, this stuff does dry really fast. Honestly, I'm thinking, well, I'm looking and just trying to figure out, like, no, I might just add this base. I'm not trying to swipe it. Well, I really want to blend this out, so. Alright, y'all. So honestly, I had to change my concealer because the MAC concealer with shadow is not working. It's not blending right. So I just went ahead and put my Boulonguise on. And now I am going to take a blending brush and I'm just packing this right on top of that dark brown, y'all. And I feel I want to go in here and I want to take this light blue. I would have did a cut crease, but like I said, I'm doing a okay, y'all. So I'm just putting this like light blue color on my lid. Okay, so I'm gonna push him on this because I'm crying and it's just not.
On the beat.
We are gonna go ahead and we're gonna take these beautiful 25mm lashes that they had on their site, and these are like really fluffy. I wanted to stack two together, but I'm like, you know what, nah. Let this face be beat, okay? E.L.F. I didn't get any face primers from them. So yeah, I'm just gonna use E.L.F. I want to do the same method, so I'm actually going to speed this up and we're going to get to the powder because I don't want to see if that powder is flashback. Now let me go see what my daughter is doing. And I'm about to take banana juice to set this under eye. Alright, y'all, so I bronzed my face. I bronzed my face, y'all. And now it's time for blush. They did send over this right here. This is called, this is from Wet n Wild. This is their Hello Halo Blush Highlighter Palette. Like my favorite thing right now. Ooh, that's super pretty. Alright, after that, I want to do under eye. I'm not going to put anything under the eyes but nude base. And I just want to put mascara under the eye. Because I did not want anything underneath. I just wanted the blue to shine by itself. Lips, they did send over something for lips. However, is this? I don't think I'm gonna use. I don't think I'm gonna use these because these are non-nude or. I don't want to put like nothing blue with this lip, so we're gonna just line our lips with something else. But I'm just looking at this right here. Oh no. I might add this red lipstick. Okay, so I'm not going to spray my face down. I'm going to simply just take my curls out. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this tutorial. I hope that y'all enjoyed and actually like this combination. You can go check out Boulonguise in the description right below. And I'm going to see you all on my next tutorial.